Hey guys, let's start. And it is a sale. I don't know whether it's the great Malaysian sale or the great Singapore sale. Is there still a Singapore sale? But it is a sale. Unexpected because Elon Musk tweeted again. Okay. When we subject to Elon Musk's tweet, this is nothing new. This is just normal. This is something normal in crypto. Again, nothing that I'm concerned of because we have to live through all these periods. But in this dump early this morning or late last night, right? That thing began late last night. Oh my God, that thing began late last night. We got this. Bitcoin market dominance falls to a 3-year low of 40%. So everything is being kind of like sold evenly, or rather Bitcoin is selling more than the rest of the coins. So this is very interesting because in the past, if this had happened, Bitcoin dominance usually goes up. Nowadays, it seems like, hey, what's happening, man? What is happening here? What is happening here is that, look, it has gone below 38.6. Oh my God. So Bitcoin is moving slower relative to the other cryptos. Let's see for an example here. I want to find out. Let's see this guy, Doge. Hey, Mr. Doge. How are you, Mr. Doge? See that? Against the US dollar, about this guy went down 4%. Against Bitcoin, it went up. So this is quite amazing. It's quite impressive. I must admit that I have not seen this. I rarely see this. It's happening with a lot of regularity. So I'm quite surprised. Okay, I'm quite surprised. But this is good. It means the smaller ones, the smaller cryptos are really gaining their own. But no surprises also, right? Because last time was just Ethereum. Now, if you look at the really blue chip ones, there are Ethereum. There's also things like Polkadot, AVAX, Matic. Yeah, don't forget Matic. How could I miss out on buying Matic? Oh my God. There are things like Eagle, right? Elron, Eagle, and what else? Solana and all that. So no surprise. I'm surprised, but I'm not surprised. I'm surprised at the result, but then I say, hey, maybe that, okay, this makes sense. Look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. That was the low, guys. That was the low. So we are approaching there. My God. We are approaching there. And Cardano dominance is also coming up, and so is Dogecoin. Wow. So this is because, Tesla may be offloading its BTC holdings. No, he didn't say that. He said later that he's not selling, they're not selling. So this is another case of FUD. And when you have FUD, you kind of love it, because when you have FUD, what happens after this? What happens after this? It tends to go up. So this is quite cool, okay? As long as it goes back up. Some markets are rallying, right? Cardano, ADA is up. Hey, what is this? Ethereum is, of course, down. Ethereum, because that got pumped a lot along with Bitcoin. So no surprises there. So we have a special session today. I'm going to tell you more about it. Which green? No, I don't know which green. Yeah, what else are they saying here? Well, the good thing is, thanks to this, my gas prices were very low. I just went in an IDO just now. I just went in. I only paid like $24 compared to, man, look at this. Compared to, what was it? $320 last week. $320. And today I only paid like $24. And in fact, I was so careless just now. Usually I set my gas to higher, because I know that people like you guys could be coming in, right? Mark could be in, Chen could be in. So to make sure I set the gas a little bit higher, right? The whale thing, right? I always want to front run everyone, right? So I kind of forgot that, guys. I just forgot today. I said, oh my God, I'm going to be front run. I am going to be front run. It went through, I'm like, hey, okay, fine, if you insist. But that was a mistake. This was Relight Finance. Okay, so I'm like, okay, never mind. It's a good day. It's a good day. I really thought, guys, under normal circumstances, when the gas was high last week or the past 3 weeks, this would not have gone in. I was so surprised. Like, oh my God, I'm dead. I am so dead, because if I cancel it, then it just has to wait until the cancel one goes through. Then it only goes through, but it's okay. Yeah, look at that. Usage fees dropped 70% to 80%. That is just right because I paid like $320 last week. This week, I just paid $24 just now. You paid $410. Oh my God. I am better than Pancake Lord. He paid $410 last week, okay? So, any questions do you have? Okay, but before that, we're going to have a special class this Sunday, okay? Because I want you guys to understand this. This is what you guys need to understand. But first, how do you feel about the dump? Do you guys like the dump? I just want to ask you, do you guys like the dump? Can you wake up at night? No, can you wake up? Can you sleep at night? How are you trading or having positions knowing that someone can tweet and suddenly it goes down? I'm assuming you're not leveraging, okay? Don't assuming leveraging, because if you are leveraging, I think you know what to do. You better have your phone right beside your bed, and you better be ready to stay up to see and monitor the positions. So you need to be very happy that there are dumps like this. Yes, you love the dump. You can go shopping. But let me tell you something, if you are feeling an anxiety, I am going to bring you a medication. It's not COVID, but it's good as COVID. It is good as AstraZeneca. No, it shouldn't do that. It is good as Pfizer. It is good as Pfizer. Let me explain to you before you ask me questions. Okay, whatever you want to ask. Let me tell you this. I want to take away this anxiety. Do you know a medication for anxiety? Well, this is it. This is it. Now, let me tell you of this example. Okay? I just want to tell you of this example why I don't feel anything during a dump. In fact, during the dump just now, I went out and bought Polkadot, and then I bought Ethereum. Yeah, keep an eye on it. Right. If you have small positions, you're okay. But I bought Polkadot and I bought more Ethereum. Okay, I was just buying it. I was just closing my eyes. Okay, I'm just going to buy it. Okay, now this is what you need to rethink. We're going to have class on Sunday. We're going to have another class on June 5th, which is about trading. And this one, we also have external guests. And we kick off Crryptomoon 3 with a wallets class on June 13th. So those of you that want to learn more about MetaMask, I don't know why you want to learn more about MetaMask. We're going to learn MetaMask here, okay? So Yeezy is going to teach everyone on MetaMask in case you got something stuck. But let me start with this, okay? Let me start because this is a real use case. And if you have this methodology like, yeah, it can pump, it can dump, like who cares? Nobody cares. Now, let us start with this and let us do a real life situation. This was a pink node IDO. Sunday will be around, I believe, I will start it around 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, okay? As usual, about 10 to 1. 10 to 1. But I'll be in the room around 9:30, okay? We'll call it community time like NAS daily, right? Community time. So you can ask questions at 9:30. We start at 10 to 1. We will have community time before and community time after. See, I'm introducing something new here. So anyway, $250 for this, but I had allocated $1,000 for this, right? I expected that the gas would go up fine. I spent like $320, was it? So I spent a total of $570 for this. In fact, Simon, I don't have an answer. Simon, can you tell me why? I'm puzzled, I'm really puzzled, I had a transaction at 162, did not go through, and later my transaction at 159 went through. Yeah, I did this twice. And I'm like, what is that? I'm lucky. I know, Simon, I'm lucky. Simon thinks I am making a deal with the polka starter guys, right? I'll make a deal with the polka starter guys. I don't know why. Why did this happen? I'm like, come on, guys. I don't know. I don't understand this. But anyway, say you bought Ethereum last week at 1,000. What is the value of Ethereum now? Just say you bought Ethereum. Not at 1,000. You bought $1,000 worth of Ethereum. Can you guys tell me what is the value of your 1,000 now? Can you guys tell me that? Because Ethereum went down by 20%, is it? If I'm not mistaken, let's say it went down by 20%. 600? No, 20%, Crystal. 800. You're making me panic. But yes, you're probably right. It didn't go down 40%. It went down like 30%. Okay, but anyway, it's just value at 800. Now, how many of you are going to freak out? Here's the deal. How many of you are going to freak out and just like, yeah, you can't sleep, like, no, I'm going to faint, right? I can't function anymore. That's why Julie is smart and thought she's in Cardano, which doesn't care about all this stuff. This is the deal. This is the deal. Now we are going to work so that you guys in the future don't have to freak out, but you have to understand this method. Okay, you have to understand this method, and we'll find out how to make it. Now, here's the deal. If this gone down to 300 and I spend like 570 here, you know what happened? Of my Ethereum here, I only have like, oh my God, how much do I have now? I only have like $230 worth of this. If I were purely trading, guys, I would be wrecked. Yes, it is cyclic. Yes, I would be wrecked. I would be like this. It's like Anton. I would be like this. You're a little bit of smile because Anton will know the secret afterwards. I would be like that. Like, what is that? I don't know. So here's the deal. Rather than do that, I told you that when I buy my Ethereum, was it Mark? Did you make the remark that this was, to me, that Ethereum is like a capital, right? That is a capital. That is, yeah, wasted gas. Yeah, the thing with this, yeah, you talk about pink node, right? Yeah, this is wasted. I don't know why with this one went through. I have no idea. But Pancake Lord says slippage. I shall accept that. So here's the deal. Here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. If I was just trading, I would be freaking out. But I didn't trade. I put this 250, spending this gas, and I put it on pink node. I got these number of tokens. You see what I mean? I got these number of tokens. So even with a 20% degradation in, I want to talk about that, in Ethereum, I'm not panicking. In fact, Crystal, if it could have gone down 30%, I still would have not panicked. I'm going to tell you why. Now, how much is pink node now? Can you guys calculate? It is like what? Is it like 49 now? Okay. Pink node is now 49, right? Pink node is now 49. Yesterday it went up almost to 80, but never mind. We shall take it at 49. So assuming pink node is at 49, let's see this. 6854. Oh my God, 6854. Is it 6855? Yeah, 0.49. Guys, my stake is now worth 3,358 US dollars. You understand that? Can you see that? Even as Ethereum went down, and you need to understand this, even as Ethereum went down, you multiplied it. You multiplied your stake by 3 times, 3.3 times. Do you see that? Because I put that Ethereum as capital into something that is going faster. Correct, Chen. Even with the gas that I have wasted. That is the thing. Do you see that now? That's how we go and do it. And we're going to have to practice it. I think it'll take 2 months. One class on Sunday and the other one on June 5th, okay? But that one, it will also have, it will be a trading class in the morning, but in the afternoon, we'll go through this again because you... You guys need to understand this and then you won't be panicking, okay? You won't be panicking. But please set your gas to high, okay? Please set your gas to high if you guys get in. Otherwise, you guys will be rejected. Let me address the Cardano question because I saw it just now. Cardano, okay, Cardano is at a dangerous level. Again, I do not like shorting because, you know, I can lose my head while I'm shorting. Aaron, look at this. And Julie, look at this. Chance of price crash increases as Cardano ADA futures near 1 billion. I don't know. I think there's going to be a correction. So, you know, cryptos is always repeating itself. It didn't repeat yet, but look at that. There was a crash on April 17th. It happened at 23%. And why? Because at that time, this thing also happened. Leverage is the culprit. Look at the open interest here, and it's already at almost the same level. It's already at almost the same level. So just be careful, guys. There's nothing wrong in taking profit. I have seen someone taking profit. Yes, again, this is hard. Again, people ask me, right? People ask me like, do you buy ADA now? Here's the deal. Here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. If I were to do it, see, I don't know. Are you asking me at ADA 240? Are you asking me at ADA 218? See, this is why it's hard. This is why it's very, very hard. And it creates the confusion. Are you asking me at ADA at 180, meaning it's not going to be executed and you have to put in a limit order? Okay, I want us to change our way because I'm going to teach you trading also. Don't worry, we're going to teach you trading on June 5th through my eToro account. I'm showing you how you do it. Now, take this away because it's going to be very hard if we keep on this trading mentality. Look, guys, I don't care. As long as I can put this ADA into a rocket engine, right? Which is an IDO. You get what I mean? I know this is not like a rocket, right? Yeah. You understand that? See that? As long as I can do that, I'm not going to buy the big one, okay? I'm not going to buy the big one. I'm not going to buy everything at once. But if I say that, hey, I got this coming up and this is coming up, because I would have to look at the developments of Goguen, right? The smart contract, and it is coming. Then it would be like, if I want to buy, I would say, okay, I'm going to break it up in 3. I'm going to buy now 1/3. I'm going to put a buy order here, and I'm going to put a buy order here. And if it goes to 150, what do we say, guys? What do we say? We go out for coffee. Okay, we can. But after that, we go out for coffee and we drink coffee. Why can we say that? Why can we drink coffee even though we bought ADA at 240 going to 150? Because it doesn't matter. Because we don't get charged gas like Pink Node, right? Pink Node. What are you talking about? Pink Node. We don't get, I know, right? We don't get charged gas. It really doesn't matter. However, if you are trading and I trade, then it matters. If I trade, then it matters. Then it matters. No, you can have 2 portfolios, but I'm telling you, if you do not establish a way, a consistent way to get IDOs, you will not be able to sleep during this tweet storm, because this is going to be a part of our lives. XYM, what do I think about it? I am just waiting for that thing to go up. In fact, now because it's down, maybe I just keep it in Binance and wait for them to list it, okay? Because, by the way, XEM, ZEM, is it ZEM or NEM? Okay, anyway, NEM or ZEM, whatever, is also an ecosystem. I know we don't mention it like Solana, like AVAX, like, what is that? Eagle, Elron, right? But it is also like that. So I'm going to just leave it there. Okay, I'm going to just leave it there. Nothing to do there. I would have sold it at 70, but I couldn't withdraw it from Binance. So I'm just waiting there. So that's how you do it. Okay, any more questions? Ask, guys. You guys better ask. So this is what I want the students to focus. It'll take you 1 month to master this, because this is the way to do it, guys. Otherwise, otherwise you will get knocked out. You understand? You will get knocked out. You will not be able to hodl. I know when you say the oath of hodling, you say, I shall hodl, I shall not sell. I don't think it's that easy, A lot of people will say what it's called capitulation. You capitulate after a certain right? After a certain period, you kind of capitulate if you do not have experience holding this. And having this, what you see here allows you to hodl. And this is what happens, right? Because you see this going down. But let me tell you what happens. When ADA goes back up again, and it will, because we are in this bullish period, guess what? Yes, guess what? Guess what? It will go up. Haha, Mark has asked a question. So let me show you my model. Okay, my model is this. Typically is this. I go by flow. I'm not taking Casper into consideration, but my model for flow is this, Mark. It opens at 100x. It goes down, gets dumped to about 40x. So this is like 40%, right? And then it goes up 7 times from here. Yeah, I don't even know where this is. That's what happens. So if you look at the pancake law, this happens to most IDOs. It is the same pattern. As Fat, as Brian, as the old guys, it's the same pattern. Some of them might do like that. Okay, just go like that and tease you, right? So you have to find these points, right? So some people bought Casper here. Some people bought Casper here. Don't buy here. Don't buy here. Never buy here. You got to wait until it finds its value. You got to wait, guys, until it finds its value. Don't go and try to buy here or here or here. Wait for it. Wait for this to form. Now, if you do not know, you can ask Pancake Law. We named this after the Templar method. Simon Templar, Simon Templar, the same. Yeah, that's it. You got to be really, so this is my model. So Casper is being dumped, and I think it will do this, and one day it will go up. SHIB, those are the dogs, right? The dogs will be this. Yeah, the dogs will be Shiba Inu. We'll talk about it on Wednesday because it's a different thing. XVS, you just got the dividend, right? You're going to get the airdrop. You can sell it off. You can sell it off. I always try to do that. If it goes back to break even, I sell it off. Sometimes it goes higher. Okay, yeah, Templar method. Yeah, so this is what happens. Yeah, thanks, Simon. Thanks for reminding me. I forgot that. So if it does like this, this is called the Templar method. Now, what I described, an IDO can do this, or it can do this. This is called the Templar. Now, sometimes it goes up very fast. To be fair, for flow, you would not have gotten it if you had gone to the Templar method. You should have bought it here called the Fatsters. And to be fair, Fat bought it. Fat bought it. You know, he saw it going at 10, right, Fat? Fat saw it going at 10. He went at 6. He saw it struggling at 10 to 11. And then he bought it at 8. What did you buy it, Fat? 850 or 875 or something like that. Because he's the owner of the Fatsters. And then, yeah, it just went up. So you really don't know which one. But when I plan for IDOs, I plan the long-term Templar method. XPRT, would I take profit? Okay, XPRT, I would take profit half. I would leave half because XPRT, you're talking about persistence, right? Is in what I think is the hottest sector this year. You haven't seen it yet. You have not seen it yet. That is NFTs for business, okay? And there are only a few. You guys know, right? I'm going to tell you, there's persistence, which is XPRT. There's split, which is ShopX, right? Let me find it. This is ShopX. This is XPRT. And the big one is coming. What's the big one, guys? What is the big one is coming? It is CFG, Centrifuge. Centrifuge is going to be super big. So I think when Centrifuge comes online and is listed, these are going to follow. Mina, when released, yeah, Mina, I always hodl the IDOs unless I want to split half here and then I just keep the rest, right? Yeah, but yeah, the idea would be to hodl because you know that you are going to get dumped on. That you're just going to get dumped on, right? Do you add more? Yeah, you can add more on that. But if you get this like Fed, then you're the boss. If you get this, you have to be patient. No problem. No problem. So it could be somewhere, right? It could be somewhere. It could be somewhere. Anything could happen. So where is Casper? Casper is in this formation. I don't know the low now. I really don't know. I don't know. That's why when I do this, I bought at 71, right? I'm just waiting here. Where's the low here? So if it goes here to 90, I don't sell. I wait for it to come here again. Is this 50? I don't know. Is it, Crystal? I didn't look at the price. Maybe this is 50. Maybe it is 45. I am patient. Because when I bought here, I'm not going to buy the full thing because I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so guys, you have to let the price establish itself. Yeah, that's why I'm the Inukshuk, you know, Inukshuk in Whistler, Canada, looking over that thing. So you guys got to be really, 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 really patient on this. Find you on eToro. I'm that one you can confirm on Saturday. Is it Saturday? Yeah, no, Sunday. It's Saturday. Sorry, Saturday class. You can confirm that, okay? So I hope you understand this. So you have to see cryptos in a totally different way. Now, another thing that's happening a lot now is I see a lot of airdrops. I just see airdrops everywhere. Everywhere and anywhere, okay? It's just everywhere. You need to know where to find it, but it is not on the Ethereum blockchain. It is somewhere else. It is somewhere else, okay? It is somewhere else, not on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, here's the deal. Now, here is the deal. I want to tell you something about this. Okay, so when you saw the multiplication here, right? When you saw the multiplication here, okay? Just I show you Ethereum. Now, I'm going to bring two other cryptos here in also. What is this? What is this, guys? Beth. We talked about it on Wednesday. I'm going to bring another one. I mean, this is weird. LKSM, okay? Because now, if you stake Ethereum on Binance, you get Beth, right? And I told you, right, Beth can be sold for Ethereum, and that can be put into things like Pink Node and in the future. Now, there's also something that's coming up here. I hope you guys are ready. It is called Karura. If in Karura, if you stake KSM, you will get LKSM, right? LKSM can be used within the Karura. You can even buy Ethereum with, I don't know, maybe it's a wrap Ethereum with LKSM and all that. Or I'm very sure that LKSM can be traded for Ethereum or even DOT. But why would you want to do that, right? You don't want to do this, right? You don't want to do this. You don't want to go to USDT and go to Ethereum. You want to convert your LKSM into KSM to do another Pink node that is running on KSM. You understand me? Running on KSM. Hence, over time, what will happen is your KSM here will grow into multiple KSMs, right? Like you just saw just now. This is very important, guys. We're going to go on this on Saturday again, like you just saw just now. 1K worth of Ethereum became 3.3K. Pink node is an IDO on Polkadot. Now, this is what I'm going to tell you. In the future, all these Polkadot IDOs are going to be running on Polkadot. So this will be measured in Polkadot, and I won't have that silly $320 wasted on gas. Do you guys understand this? If you guys don't understand it, make sure you understand it by Saturday. We're going to go again, and then next month we're going to review again. Because if you can understand this, hey, up, down, it doesn't really matter, okay? Up, down, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, you can check all those things, yeah. So you have to know that now is really the season of the airdrops, okay? Really the season of the airdrops. I see a lot of new positions, how do you say? I see a lot of IDOs coming up. They are not necessarily on Ethereum, you know? I think if you're looking at Ethereum, you are looking at the wrong place. You have to look outside of Ethereum, which means you have to have knowledge of the wallets, which is why on June, hey, I have to move this. What did I say? I said June 13th, is it? Yeah, June 13th, there's another wallets class, but we are going to cover the wallet. We are going to cover this, okay? But it's going to be different from the past. We are going to cover MetaMask, but we are going to cover MetaMask. We are going to cover MetaMask for what, guys? We are going to cover MetaMask, not necessarily for Ethereum, because I know you guys hate Ethereum, right? We are going to cover for Ethereum also. It was very cheap today. We are going to cover for Binance Smart Chain. And we are also going to cover for AVAX, because we have to do this because I graduated from Cornell University. I'm sorry, I don't know. You might not have heard of AVAX. It's good because I'm from Cornell. Okay, Cornell things are good. Okay, Cornell things are good. Yeah. Sanjay, when you sell ETH on the centralized exchange, there's no gas in centralized exchange. You don't need that. Decentralized exchange are the ones that use gas. However, if you are on Polkadot, it's cheaper, right? If you are on BSC, it's cheaper. But having said that, also, BSC is, sometimes I can run it to $1, but it's much better, okay? But it's much better than that, okay? When can you sell Beth for ET? You can. Yeah, you can. You can see Beth. You can sell Beth into anything, whatever it is. But remember, Nicole, you have to use that Beth to redeem again. That means in the future, okay, I'm going to show you a model of Beth before we go. Nice one, Nicole. I'm going to show you a model of Beth, okay? I'm going to show you a model of Beth. One day it might be Susan. One day it might be Susie. But today is just Beth. Here's the deal. I buy 1,000 worth of Beth, okay? I buy 1,000 worth of Beth, which is like 0.25 Beth, I think last week, right? Okay, I can't do anything with this. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to convert it to 1,000 worth of Ether. You understand what I mean? And then I put it in here, and then I come out with 3,000 worth of Ether. And then what do I do, Nicole, here? With this 3,000, I have one Beth. I go back and buy one Beth, and guess what? This already covers my obligation here. 2,000, Nicole, you just go and keep and do whatever you want to do. Do you guys see that? Now, if it is not there, what you can do, can you trade BETH for USDT and then you have to do USDT back into Ethereum? Also can. This is for pink node. What if you are going into an IDO that requires Polkadot or Kusama? Same thing. Convert to this or convert to USDT and DOT. Now, this is what we're going to understand. So before I tell you more stories, and you guys understand it, and you guys, yeah, you're still able to do this, and you guys understand it, I'd better go. I want you guys to go and figure this out. You guys to go and understand it, okay? In the meantime, hold the line, guys. Hold the line. Anything is possible. I want to change your glasses to see more possibilities. See you on Wednesday for the dog show.